Hey, boss, look what I stumbled upon. Weren't you always scolding me for not having sufficient time in the office to fulfill my job responsibilities? Therefore, I inquired from Chat GPT about how AI could simplify my life, and I learned some very useful information. He responded as follows. I created a small presentation using PICTORY service. Would you like to see it?
Yes.
So head over to PICTORY. As always, all the links are included in the description. I'll use a video script software to create a video from the text I got from Chat GPT. Copy the text from the script and paste it into the text field. Set the scene settings by choosing only line breaks for the Create New Scenes option. This will split the scenes based on each line break. Choose a template from the many options available in PICTORY. I'll use the 16:9 aspect ratio. PICTORY will scan the text and find videos related to the text from story blocks. Go through each scene to see if you like the video and make changes if needed. When you're satisfied with the video, export it. Encourage people to like and subscribe to your channel. By the way, I'm preparing a more detailed lesson about this service, and it will soon be added to our cool channel. So make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on ideas on how to make your life easier with AI. And be sure to like this video too, because I really need more people to use all the advantages of AI in their daily life. Let's watch our video created by PICTORY AI.
Top 5 best use of AI that have made life easier for IT professionals. Are you tired of being bogged down by IT headaches? So you are lucky now, because AI is here to revolutionize the way you work. Say goodbye to long nights, endless problem solving, and hello to sipping tea and enjoying cookies as you bask in newfound free time. This technology is the future of IT, and it's changing the game for professionals everywhere. Join in on the excitement and simplify your life by adopting AI. Who knows, you may even come up with innovative new ideas for your business or personal life.
Yes, interesting. You need to start taking your work more seriously. This kind of inactivity is unacceptable.
I apologize, boss. I'll make an effort to work harder, but as they say, if you want something done right, you have to do it yourself.
What was that?
Oh, wait a second. Let's watch the top 5 specific examples from Chat GPT on how AI has simplified the IT field.
The end of IT support nightmares. With AI, your coworkers no longer need to constantly bug you for IT support. They can simply ask AI for help and it will magically resolve their computer issues in no time. You're welcome, IT person. Auto-patching pros. Say goodbye to staying up all night waiting for critical updates and patches to install. AI takes care of that for you and even makes sure everything runs smoothly afterwards. No more 3 a.m. coffee-fueled panic attacks. The great email sort. AI takes care of the tedious task of sorting through emails and categorizing them for you. No more scrolling through an endless sea of spam and newsletter emails just to find the one important email from your boss. The cloud-based backup buddy. AI can now keep track of all your data backups, so you never have to worry about losing anything ever again. No more buying a new hard drive every time you run out of storage space. The network navigator. AI can now monitor and optimize your network, making sure that your applications run smoothly and your data transfers quickly. No more of those dreaded slow internet days.
I see, everything can be done so easily with AI. Well, then you're fired.
What about the second part of the presentation?
Okay, show me.
Today, we'll delve deeper into optimizing for large amounts of emails. Artificial intelligence, AI, has the potential to revolutionize the way we sort and manage emails, making the process faster, more efficient, and less frustrating. Here are some ways AI can help with the great email sort. Smart filters. AI algorithms can automatically categorize and sort emails into specific folders based on criteria such as sender, subject line, or keywords. This makes it easier to find important emails and reduces the time spent sifting through clutter. Prioritization. AI algorithms can analyze and prioritize emails based on factors such as importance, urgency, and relevance. This allows users to quickly see which emails require immediate attention and which can be dealt with later. Autoresponders. AI algorithms can create automatic responses to routine emails, freeing up time and reducing the number of repetitive tasks. For example, AI can automatically respond to emails confirming receipt, directing the sender to an FAQ, or setting expectations for a response time. Email summaries. AI algorithms can create summaries of email threads, providing a quick overview of the conversation without having to read each email individually. This makes it easier to follow a discussion and keep track of what's been discussed. Spam filtering. AI algorithms can accurately identify and filter spam emails, ensuring that users only receive important and relevant emails. This not only saves time but also helps prevent users from falling victim to phishing scams and other malicious attacks. By utilizing these and other AI-based tools, individuals and businesses can significantly improve their email management processes, making the great email sort less of a hassle and more of a breeze.
Not bad. Is there anything else you can find out about this AI of yours? What can help us in our work?
I believe there's much more to discover.
You can stay for now. We'll see what to do with you later.
Haha, thanks, boss. In the following videos, I'll explain how this video was created using AI, character design and animation, voiceover, and video editing. Thank you for watching.